Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Whoa, this lighting's really weird. Don't mind me, I have no makeup on. I am cleaning out my makeup drawers. This is the process. What a mess. Oh my god. That is my plan. It's dying. So I'm just gonna do a little lapse of me cleaning, and hopefully my camera doesn't die. So stay tuned. Alright, now time to vacuum.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
So, I went to like $5 stores today. I went to Target. And yeah, I cleaned up my room yesterday. We bought a little air conditioner because it's really hot out. It's like 80 degrees and it's time for an air conditioner. Yesterday, Facebook Marketplace, I found this little TV stand. It's a little bit dark, but look, it was 40 bucks. So I have the speaker in there. I have the PlayStation. And of course the TV. For that I was using a Mickey Mouse table, so yeah, no, I'm upgrading a little bit. I did organizing wise. So I organized all my makeup. So I bought these little things from Target. They were $2 each. And look how much better that is. I should have took it before, but it's so much better, guys. So I have my foundation, powders, highlighters. I have my eyelash stuff. I have more palettes. I have lashes, primers, lip liners, my new beauty blenders. And here I have bronzers, lip liners, eye primer, and then here's my concealer, my eyelash glue, which I don't really need anymore, and all my lipsticks. Look how cute, and it's so organized. And then up here I have my beautiful orchid plant. It's dying. And then I just realized I bought this from the dollar store, and it says Santa Corona. Are you kidding me? I have some sage. It gets rid of all the bad energy. I have some hand sanitizer. And I have my little mirror. This is I got this at TJ Maxx. Buy now. I love it. It's really cute. I do my makeup. When I do makeup, I look in here. Here I have my Morphe palette, and oh God, I'm messing everything up. Okay, my Morphe palette, and then my James Charles palette. I don't really reach for these, but there's no room. And then I got this from Home Goods, I believe. So there's some little scrunchies. I have toothpaste in there, don't ask why. Teeth white Crest 3D white strips. I have some Drunk Elephant cream. My boyfriend's cologne. I have a MAC lipstick. I don't know what that's doing in there. Look at that color, guys. Woo! That is pink. Alright, we'll put that back in here. And I did a clean out because the makeup in today, so I wanted to make some more room for my makeup. Back to this. Yeah, so that's really cute. And then, where were we? This is like a highlighter, my contacts, and nothing in there. Okay, you see this stuff, I lined the bottom of the drawer. You can't see it, but it's on the bottom. You can get this at any dollar store. It's wrapped in a big roll and you can cut it. I like this here because when I do my makeup and it gets everywhere, I don't have to clean this. I can just roll this up and clean this or shake it off. So the next drawer down here, so that doesn't go there, but we'll leave that there. I have more eyeshadow palettes, my makeup remover. This is face mask. This one's really good. This one's good. Here I have like creams and stuff. I have Kiehl's. I have Drunk Elephant down there. Scotch tape. You never know when you'll need Scotch tape. More gel and hairspray. Got 2B glue. this stuff is a miracle. Here I have my little elephant. I love elephants. Elephants are cute. And I have all my Morphe, have all my makeup brushes here. I have a clip, and then I also bought these at Target. They came in a pack of 4 for $2. I bought look how many rubber bands from the dollar store. Like, you can never go wrong. And then here I have little scissors. I have tweezers, nail clippers. And back here, this is how I upload videos. Well, not no more, but you can plug this into your iPhone or iPad and put your SD card in, and the videos upload like that. And then this is more camera stuff, so I keep that back here. And then back here I have 3 pairs of scissors. Then I have hair cutting scissors. I have a million combs, my brushes. On my mirror, that is my dad. He did pass away. That is my boyfriend's friend. He passed away too. I got this little thing in Florida. It's like a necklace, so cute. I never wear it, but it's really pretty. My mom got me that. Daughter, angels from above. Watch over those we love. And then, don't mind my hair, please. That's when I thought I knew how to bleach my. I bleached my hair like 3 times, and I look like a. Their hair color is so bad, but that was Christmas like 3 or 4 years ago. Yeah. And then up here I got this at Charming Charlie's. They are no longer open. I'm so sad. And then this thing, where'd I get this? Walmart. But the batteries die really fast. You always have to change them. And then the rest of the room I will show you when it's done, because it's a mess. Also bought that, and I hung it up. I hung it up with the command strips. I literally used just one, not even both, just one. You cut it in half, and then it says like wall side, but be careful because this can rip the paint off your wall. It's happened. But yeah, I never have a place to hang up my keys. And then I have I got this chair from, I got this chair from my hair salon that I work in. And I also have another chair outside, but it goes up and down, and it's perfect to sit there and do my makeup. Trash can. There's some saved money. We're going to use that for vacation. Hopefully it's getting full. That's it for my little cleaning, organizing room tour. All right, bye.